Hello everyone. Today we have a new job. It's a ThinkPad, Lenovo ThinkPad T580. So as for customer, he said that once he had the original adapter, what was working fine, suddenly it didn't. So he bought a new adapter, charging adapter Type C. Yeah, and he tried it on his laptop. Suddenly smoke came out from the laptop. I don't know if this adapter is working fine or not. I will check out. First, I have my battery charger. I'm gonna try it on it. Try the adapter first. There we have. There we go. So the adapter does work. Normally it's a 5 volts and it is charging my batteries. So there's no problem with the adapter. It's working fine. Talking to the power controller of any device. Now I'm inserting the adapter to the laptop. Nothing come on. Even the laptop doesn't turn on actually. So yeah, there must be something inside the laptop that is wrong. Even maybe if I try to insert my own adapter charger, it's a original Lenovo charger. Let me try it. I have my own original charger. Let's try to also, and I know my charger is working totally fine. Nothing. So at first, let me open the laptop and we'll see what's wrong inside. So the laptop is open. As a first step, what I'm gonna do is check on the charging port. Let me remove to see which component is burned out, as because the customer said that smoke came out. Yeah. So let us see first visual inspection if we can find something burned. Uh, yeah, removing screen connector. Of course, I removed once I open the laptop. I remove the battery. Okay, so never touch the screen connector without removing the battery first. Anyway, so for this port, let me see if there's something burned. As I said, do we have something burned? Those chips are good. This is the charge controller actually. The controller for the Type C controller actually. Yeah, it looks fine, physically fine. I don't know if it is burned or something, but there's nothing, even heat. There's no heat actually. What about the port itself? Just 1 second. Let me show it to you. Maybe I can do it like this. So I hope I can do it using my microscope. Somehow, the plastic here is burned. The connector is burned. You see, something is burned over here. So what I'm gonna do is replace this charging port. I don't wanna remove all the board. Maybe I insulate this part and work on it. Let's try. Yep. Now I inserted this metal plate under the board, just not to get the heat under the plastic somehow. I also want to make a wider space for this plastic sticker in order not to melt or burn down, along with the screen connector, so I can have a wider space. Okay, let's see what we can do here. As usual, some flux. But bad news for now. You know what? I have to remove the board as by installing the new connector. I can't do it like this. I should do it from bottom side. I should put heat on bottom side in order to get a good solder for the for those internal pins, those ones. So yeah, I have to remove the board. I'll get back after removing the board. Now the board is out. Remove the chassis away. Now here we have our affected zone. Zoom in for it. Zoom in. I don't know if you can see. There's some erosion over here. I don't know what's this. Maybe it's from the yeah. It's the board is heated because of ports. I don't know if it is defected or affected on the board. That kind of heat. Let's try to clean it up. So after making those solder, the solders are like this. I hope it will work. Actually, I found is it the same? Maybe yes. Let me see about it. Perfect. Yeah, it is the same connector. Let me zoom in to see the difference. There's no difference at all. It should work. It has the same dimensions. You see those burns? This connector is burned out. That's why. Oh, sorry. You can see. So you can see the old one. That's where the smoke came out. So yeah, this one is affected, and this one should work perfectly instead of it. Now, to be more sure, I'm gonna apply some solder on the pins as a first solder. Now, since I soldered the pins, just to be more sure. Perfect. Now applying, gonna be on the edge of my table. Let me put some weight on it. Can you see it? Yes, great. Now I should apply heat from bottom side with holding. I think this is it. Let it cool down for a while. Yeah, I think this is it. So just apply some solder over here. I hope the laptop or the charger turns on. Yeah, this is it. I'll clean in a moment. Trying the tester for first attempt. Okay, there must be some shorts. There must be some shorts. It is not booting. Okay, let me try my charger right now. Maybe it is this charger is defective. Let me try my charger now. Yeah, perfect. It's taking 20 volts. That's great. That's great. That's a good news. That means I can reassemble the whole unit. The customer charger is not good. You know, it keeps looping. That means it got defected because, oh yeah, I can see it right now. Why it is looping? You see, there's a problem, right? So the customer charger is not good. He should get a new one. But my work is perfect. See the beauty. I don't know if you can see it right now. Yeah. Come on. Focus. See the beauty. There's a new connector soldered perfectly. Now let me reassemble the unit and I'll get back. Now for the final part, I reassembled the whole board. Okay. We'll insert the charger to see if it takes power. It is turning on, but does it charge? It's taking about 500 milliamps. That means it's a pre-charge. I think it's a pre-charge current. I think the board is good. Trying once. Yeah, that's it. Now it's charging. Now it's charging perfectly. Now it's charging perfectly. The board is good, I think. Now, yeah, turning on the laptop. The laptop turns on. Yeah, that's for sure. It did. Reset. Taking 1.4 amps. Now it should turn on normal way. Let's get it to continue. You will configure later. No problem. All I needed now is to system to boot, the OS to boot. It's taking now 2 amps. That means it is charging and booting at the same time. Yeah, perfect. Let me lose the light. Okay, great. Even snapped my glove. Okay. Yeah, that's it. It's a good thing. So I can consider it as a fix. Let me see if the battery is charging. And the battery is charging. 8% needs 1 hour to fully charge. You see, there's 18 over here and 9 over there because the battery number 2 is still not charging, waiting for the battery number 1 to somehow fully charge. But anyway, yeah, I can consider it done. The charge is taking about 1.6. The laptop actually is taking about 1.6 amps. Yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching and thank you for your support. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and I will see you another job. Bye.